Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this channel today I'm going to be completing the formal script we started, which is creating creating a link shortener using Qt and then the request library in Python. So now we're going to make it to be a GUI and I'm going to install it as an application which somebody can use in their phone or with easy access without even going to the website, just connected to a network. So let us dive into it. So now this was our formal one. At the end of this program, we are hoping to we're gonna have something like this. So you put your URL something random and shorten. So it gave us the new URL. See, your new link is this. So I've already created the file, so let me zoom in and for us to see everything very well. So first of all, we have to import requests. Then we need another library which is Tkinter. So from Tkinter import, or if you don't yet have Tkinter, go to pip install Tkinter and install the Tkinter through your command prompt or through PyCharm and start playing with the library. So first of all, we have to instantiate our window. So we want to call it Windows TK. Windows TK. Then we want it to run on loading the script. So Windows main loop. So let us run this program. And you see, it gave us this window, this nice looking window. So but there's nothing in it and we want to add things like how that one was. So first of all, we have to do windows.title. So whatever you want your title to be, for example, URL shortener. Then we don't want to give it a size because that one is small. We want to give it a size. So windows.geometry. So 500, the width, the height 500. So let us run it and see what you get. Okay, so window URL shortener and something like that. So that's not so let me get it correct. Then for if you have an icon, though I don't have an icon now, but if I have an icon, I want to input your icon. You have to write window icon bitmap. Then you specify your icon i.ic or something like that. Then your icon will pop out at the icon platform. So but I don't have any icon now, so you saw that it's an error because I don't have any icon now. But if you have an icon, you can just put it there and it will be showing there. So that one aside, let us leave that one for now. Then we are now going to dive into the program. So first one, we need a frame. Like if there is further my previous one, or let me load it up and let you see how it is and we can work from it. So see it here. So we need this color and this is a frame. So we have to specify a frame using a widget in Tkinter. So we have to say maybe page is equal to frame brackets on the windows. Then we now have to put the then we now have to put the background color, which is, for me, I'm using slate blue. Then you can apply the color you want or anything you want. So you also have to specify the width again of the window of the frame. Height 500. So Then we now have to pack it, because if we don't pack it, it will not show. But if we pack this thing now and try to run it, we're gonna see that it will not be showing. Let us run the code and see. Okay, so see it here, shining blue and nice to go. I don't want to close down, so that's it. But sometimes your main windows might try to interface or come out before that one, so we have to do page dot pack propagates. I will now have to put that false. So now this will be the main page that will be showing, so nothing can, as in no other page of the window can come above on top of it. So now from the look of this link, we have to create this thing here. So we're going to use the label widget. So we'll call the variable lab, so label brackets. We are placing it on the page. Then let us call the width 40 and the height, it will give it 4. Then text, whatever text you want, you can write shorten your URL, so something like that. So lab.pack, now have to pack it. So let's run our code and see what we are having. So we see it shorten your URL. So our font is small and we want to increase the font. You can come back here, or if you don't want to go to the end, you can come here and write font equals to let us call it 20, something like that, and let's run a code. So you see it increased. Okay, nice one. So next one, we have to impute with an input bar where the user can input something or anything that user wants. So we do it using the entry widget. So let us call it the linker is equals to entry bracket. We are placing it on the page and to just collect the width 50 because it can't collect text. So it does packets, and you can pack it, you can grid it, you can place it, but we're going to try placing now. Okay, you see it here, and you saw that it came directly under this one. So we need to shift it, and shifting it, we're going to use the place method. So place takes x and y. So the x is the horizontal axis, then the y is the vertical axis. So let us place x as 70, then y, let us place y as let's try 90. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so see it here, we have to shift it more, so we're gonna push it with x, maybe making our x 90 as same. So we have something like this. We can also push it down more using increasing this into maybe 110 or whatever you want. Okay, so that's it. Then you see from this one we have a button. We want to place our button. Oh, I closed it, so no problem. So we call the variable btn using the button widget. So I place it on the page, text shorten shorten now. So we are gonna place it. So sorry, btn dot place. We are gonna go with x is equals to, what are we going to give it to now? We're gonna give it 100, and we're gonna give y 150, and let's see how it is. Oh, it's at the edge here. so we have to shift it more. Yeah, so first of all, let's increase the width. Let us call it 20, and let us see how things goes. Organize width. We have to now shift the X. Let's call it 150. Okay, so let's give it some more stuff. This is just try and error and stuff like that. So we now have a nice presentable thing. So let me make it 170 to be like this. Run it again. Okay, so but you see, if we click the link, nothing is happening. So now we now have to create a function. So when we click the link, everything happens. So now let us remember this variable, because we're going to see this entry, because this linker, this variable holds everything the user inputs. So now we're going to go up here and now create a window runner, a function. So let's call it runner. So I'm going to collect the data normal how we did there. So your data is equals to a dictionary. Okay, so the dictionary to make it nice and presentable. So first one is we had URL is so now that time we had like linker, but now for the entry what it uses is the linker dot get. So with this we can get the value the user inputs there. The second one is the domain, which you saw at the first program. If you have not watched it, go and watch it for more. Then so that has then the page URL, which is that copy URL. So let me just go to this place and copy it, so no more stress about that. So is that URL. So I've copied the link, and then okay. So right guys, let's PHP. So we have the link, and that's it for it. So now run is equals to request dot post then our data is equals to data. Sorry, first of all then we have to put URL is equals to page URL. So that's for that. So now have to this in the function. So if what I'm going to do now, so let us try and so now we now want to print it as a message. So we now also have a library, a function, a class in Tkinter which we call message box. So from Tkinter import message box. So we now have to come down here. So message box dot show info, it collects title, URL, or just call it new URL. The message is the run. Oh, sorry, is a variable. So run dot text. Alright, so let us come down here and on click. So it collects a command. When we click it, it will run the runner function. So we run the two brackets. So just run our code and see how everything goes. So we click it. So the provided link is incorrect. So Just a bit random stuff. Okay, so now you're still working. So HTTP give us incorrect, which is incorrect. It's not like not working, it's incorrect. So don't put the correct link. So give us the new link. Let's see it here. When you press, and you cannot copy it here, you cannot copy it from here. And once you press OK, you cannot see it again. And this one is here, so we need to modify it more. So now have to use the insert and delete. So we now go back to our function. So after viewing this message, we need to run another thing, which is that linker dot. You see there are many functions there. So you select dot delete. So it deletes from the first one to the last one. Let us just run this one first of all, and let us see how things goes. So let me impute random something shorten. Okay, you see that everything cleared. Okay, correct. So we need to impute the runner. So we now have to do link dot insert. Insert is from adding 0, showing the index of the from the first place. So run.txt, so that will want to insert there from the text. So now compute so you see the provided link is incorrect. So that is for it. You can also add more functionalities to your own. I'm just giving you the basics of how everything works as a link or something like that. So now let me pause the video and get my icon. So then I will now put my icon. Let us now work with it. So alright guys, so I've gotten my icon. So my icon has a w.ico. So I have to go down to this code and so that's Windows place and add our icon. So come down here, Windows icon bitmap. So we have s.ico. So let us run the program, and our icon is changed. So now it's now like an app and you can play around with it. So but now it's still a .py program, and anybody that doesn't have .py cannot run this program. So now we now have to also get a library which is called PyInstaller. So with PyInstaller we can convert it to an exe file. So let us now go to the directory and now open the command prompt. So cmd.exe and let's open the command prompt. I've already installed the PyInstaller, so you can do your own. So to convert it to a .exe file, so PyInstaller f, then w, so then I for the icon, which is s.ico. Then you specify the number of file. The number of file is cut.py. So we go for it, cut.py, and let us run a program and convert it to a .exe file as an executable file, and you see it will run as a file as a normal application in Windows. So let me pause it. Don't waste too much time, you know. So well. Alright guys, so we see that everything is now complete. So give us within exe complete. So we go back here, we see a lot of files. So there are a lot of files, but we now need to navigate to the one dist something like that. So you see the application. So you can now open this application and we are running it outside PyCharm, so that's it. And let's wait for it to open. Oh, error. Okay, ICO dot not defined. Okay, we need to, this is like the package, we need to export it with the icon. So in case you want to send it to your friend, you have to export it with the icon, else it shouldn't run. So okay, so waiting for it to load and open. So okay, so everything is here without the command prompt, without the PyCharm. Is now working as a file, so you can now send it to your friend. But for example, you want to share it to your friend, you have to place it in as a folder. So let's now make it a folder. So let's now make a folder. So cut. So now these two, you have to put it inside this folder. You want to share it to your friend, now share it to your friend with this cut file. So see, now you can now see it's like an application. So you see this one is an application, this one is an icon. So you can now open it and run your code. So that's it for it. Thank you guys for watching. You can add more notifications to your own, so please subscribe and like our channel for more. So okay, it's even here as an application, so for more updates like this. So thank you guys, and I really appreciate. So